Assalamualaikum and good evening everyone. Today our group will present about hydroelectric power plant. Our team consists of 4 members which is Nur Ismail bin Nur Iskandar, Ahmad Adinin bin Abdul Hai, Muhammad Shahid bin Rajmal and Muhammad Aiza Rizwan bin Abbas.
Now, let's start with introduction. Hydroelectric power produces electricity by converting the kinetic energy in water. This energy does not harm the nature as it is a renewable energy. The most suitable location of the power plant is the ocean, as the energy that is being carried by the wave is affected by the gravitation of the moon. This energy is also widely used because the earth is mostly covered by ocean water.
Now let's proceed to the history of hydroelectric power plant. History of hydroelectric power plant divided into 3: ancient beginning, industrial revolution and modern era. In the ancient beginning, 2000 years ago, Greeks used water wheels for grinding wheat into flour. In the 3rd century, the Egyptians used Archimedes screw for irrigation. During the Industrial Revolution, in 1771, Richard Arkwright used hydropower to spin cotton at Cromford Mill in England as the world's first factory system. In 19th century, Furnier reaction turbine was invented in 1827, and French's turbine was invented in 1849. During the modern era, world's first hydroelectric project powered a single lamp in 1878 in England. In 20th century, policies like New Deal on 1930 in US, which supported the construction of large-scale projects like Hoover Dam and Grand Coulee Dam.
Now let's get going to application hydroelectric in Malaysia. If you guys want to know, there are many hydroelectric power plant in Malaysia. So the example of application in Malaysia is Sindroh Dam, second Kenyai Sultan Mahmud Power Station, third Pegau Hydroelectric Station, and lastly Temenggol Hydroelectric Station. So next, two waste energy conversation. We have two, offshore and onshore. So firstly, we're going through to offshore. Offshore, 4 meter deep into the ocean with a concussion mechanism to utilize the wave motion for energy pumping. Second, up and downward motion of this buoyant at the surface of the ocean will affect the turbine to spin under the water. So next, we're going through onshore. There are 3 methods used. First, channel system. Second, float system. Lastly, oscillating water column system. Generally, all of these methods will function by using the kinetic energy carried by the wave to turn the turbine. So, hydroelectric power works by capturing the kinetic energy of flowing water and turning it into electricity. So, the process involves the following steps. First, water flow through a pipe or penstock. Second, the water push against and turn blades in a turbine. Next, the turbine spins a generator to produce electricity. Next, the amount of electricity that can be generated depends on how far the water drops and how much water moves through the system. Lastly, the electricity is then fed into the electrical grid to be used in homes and business.
Let's proceed to the effect of hydroelectric power plant. Effect of hydroelectric power plant is divided into two, social and economic. Hydroelectric power facilities have a major impact in the social and economic spheres. Socially, they may displace entire communities and so on. Effect of hydroelectric power plant to social have their own positive and negative effect. Effect to economy. Firstly, job creation. The construction, operation, and maintenance of hydroelectric power plant create employment opportunities for a wide range of workers.
Hydroelectric power is a renewable, flexible energy source with significant economic benefits. However, it has environmental and social impacts that need carefully management. Despite challenge, its cost effectiveness makes it vital for a sustainable energy future. Balancing